welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this fidget blind bag. But before I start, make sure you subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and let's get on to the video. Let's go. On the front it says fidget blind bag, and there's a marble mesh, a fidget spinner, a DNA ball, a poppet, a simple dimple and a dimple digit, and a pop tube over here, and the cute little squiggles. On the back it just says fidget blind bag, and that's it for the front and back. So let's open it. Okay, so inside we have 1 and 2 blind bags. There's just 1 fidget in this one, and there's 2 in 1 fidget in this one. So first we're going to open this one. On the inside we have this colorful poppet kind of thing, and you can pop both sides. So it's orange poppet kind of thing. It's not a poppet, but it's like a simple dimple. And there's pink and blue sprinkle type of things, and you can pop it. So this first fidget's really cool, and this is a common, so it's not that great, but still pretty good. And the last one is 2-in-1 fidget blind bag. So there are going to be 2 fidgets in here, and these are all DIY fidgets. So inside we have a marble and mesh and leaf squishy. So we have a 1 leaf DIY paper squishy and a marble and mesh. The marble and mesh is pretty cool. And this is the leaf squishy. It's not that soft, but it's still pretty cool. And these are all the 3 fidgets I got from the fidget blind bag. Bye everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.